Right, so good morning, everyone. Hello? Hello, can you guys hear me?
Morning, sir.
Good morning, too. All right, so well, actually, waiting time is already over, but I don't know why there's only a few of you guys. There's actually a total of 30 students in this class, but there's only 9. So where are the other 20s? So I hope they're okay or they no they are well informed that they have class right now. Anyway, so well, of course, most of you doesn't know me yet. So let me introduce myself first. So my name is Daniel Paul S. Saavedra. So I am a computer engineering graduate in UC also. So here are the basic informations that you can check about me. Okay, so not that much, but maybe you can check my areas of interest. So I'm into web developing, Android developing, robotics, IoT, and then machine learning. Okay, so yeah, not that much. Well, anyway, so nice to meet you guys. I hope uh, you guys will learn a lot of things in this course. Anyway, so your way of introducing yourself will be via this getting to know you better. So as of now, there's only 4 who submitted their 1 minute introduction video. So to those who haven't submitted or created their 1 minute video yet, so please submit them as early as possible. Since the due date of this one is October 21, so there's now only 2 days before you guys can upload your own video. Okay, so this is also a 20 points. So this is also a like an additional points or a bonus points, just in case that your let's say score is or your grade is not enough. Okay, like you're getting a failing grade, so this might help. Okay, and also all of our link to synchronous sessions can be found in this page right here. Well, since you are here, of course you have already checked this one and then you were able to click this link and then lead you to this Zoom meeting. So for the week 2 we have October 25, and then week 3 we have October 28. Okay, and so on and so forth. So I haven't added the week 4, 5, and 6 set. So maybe after our midterm exam. Okay. So what else? So the examination schedule is already in here. So midterm exam will be on November 8th and final exam will be on November 29th. Okay, so it's like exactly 3 weeks, then exam, then another exact 3 weeks, then your exam again. All right, so are we clear so far up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so for the consultation, well, actually, all of our meetings, including today, will be your consultation, your chance to ask a question, your chance to clarify something, or you can just simply message me. Okay? So as soon as I will be able to read your message, so yeah, I'll just reply. Okay, as soon as possible, as long as I'm free at that time. Okay, but if you want, say, a clearer explanation or a demo, then we can do that one with our meetings like today. Okay, like this what we are doing right now. Okay, and this one academic honor pledge. So just fill this one up. Okay, so just write your last name, first name, middle name, etc., etc. Okay, and then just agree on everything. Okay, so this is just like you're saying you're promising that everything that you will do, okay, with this subject is really your work. Okay, you didn't cheat, you didn't plagiarize, you didn't do some dishonesties, etc., etc. Okay, so for now, I don't know where this form will be saved, but yeah, this is like our contract with each other. Okay, is to make sure that everything that you will do is really your own work. Okay. Well, it's not bad to ask a help, but if possible, it would be a lot better if everything were solved by you. Okay, everything were done by you. Okay, because at the end of the day, you can only rely to yourself. Okay, if you keep relying on others, nothing will happen to you. Okay, so that's not a good practice. So just rely uh whatever you can do. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's for the academic honor pledge. And for the getting to know you better, so you guys already know this one. So again, the due date of this one is October 21. Okay, so you guys have 2 more days. All right, so let's now proceed to, oops, why is this not yet? My bad, my bad. So this one is the operating system course. So this is not the Math 100. All right, so this is the Math 100. Let's go back to modules. So wait a second. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, we have the week 1, module 1, okay, which is the patterns and numbers and natures, and the world and the Fibonacci sequence. So there's a bunch of topics in this module. So here is the learning materials or the PDF or the presentation itself. So just click this one and you can download your own PDF or presentation. So one thing that you guys might want to check is this module 1 overview for week 1. Okay, so in here you can, or you'll be able to find the topic learning outcomes, the list of topics, and then of course the learning resources. So this is very important, just to let you know that these are things that you are going to do, just to give you a heads up with the topics. So just in case that you already know that topic, then you can skip that one. Okay, so we only have one lecture presentation, of course, the module 1 only for this week 1. Let me just check. Yeah, only one module and then another module for week 2. Yeah, let's go back here. So we have 3 video materials and one video that is already pre-made. So this 3 video materials came from the YouTube. Okay, well, actually the other one also came from YouTube, but that one is my own video. Okay, that one came from my previous class, which I just compiled and then use that one as a pre-made discussion for this module 1. Okay, so in other words, all of the discussion are already done, already finished. So we won't be having a discussion on our meetings. Okay, so all of our meetings will be like a consultation meeting or consultation time. Okay, that is your chance to ask a question, to clarify something, or if you want to suggest something. Okay, and we also have here watch videos. Okay, which you can also find on the overview. Okay, but in here, this is a complete version of all the videos on this module. So we have here the video of the module 1 itself. So if you guys are going to click this one, it will lead you to the YouTube link. So this is a 1-hour video, okay, explaining the entire module 1. Okay, so just check this one out. So this is me talking to my previous class. So this is just last term. I mean, this sem, not last term. This sem, but first half. Okay, since these subjects are for second half, but this one is the last one, which is the first half. Okay, and we also have here, just in case that this one is not enough, this 1 hour video. Okay, I also prepared uh yeah, at least additional videos or additional a way of explaining things when it comes to language of sets and then the language of relations and functions. Okay, so visit this 3 website, I mean link or YouTube link also, since they are also super helpful. Okay. So yeah, this came from WowMath. I think the people under this channel is also instructor. But yeah, so this was uploaded 2020. Okay. Anyway, just check them out, and then later on, since all of our meetings, Zoom meetings are recorded, so I will put here the link later on. So this one is for those who are not here. Okay, those who are not present. Okay, so if ever that you have missed our meeting, let's say today, so maybe after our meeting for 1 hour, so there is already a link in here. Okay, wherein it is the recorded meeting of that day. So are we clear so far with this video materials?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So if ever that you have a question, so just let me know since we have plenty of time. Okay, of course, after that we have some practice exercises. So we have two only, but I think the other modules, so we have four in here. Other modules have four. Yeah, in here there's only two. Just check them out. So this will lead you. Oops, what happened? What's happening? All right. Okay, so just click these two links and then it will lead you to the external website. Okay, so I think this one came from quizzes or pro props, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this one came from quizzes. So this is a 20 question quiz. So just sign in. Okay, so if you don't have an first and log in, and then you'll be able to answer this one now. Okay. So yeah, this is pretty helpful when it comes to checking your knowledge, okay, or let's say practicing, okay, your knowledge when it comes to this module one. Okay, so all of your modules have this specific practice exercises, so you can always check them out. Okay, and if ever that they are not enough, so of course you can search on the internet for maybe another practice exercises, or you can maybe check the YouTube. Okay, if they have more complex questions or problems, maybe. Okay, so yeah, it is now completely up to you. But this one is just to help you to recall maybe or uh, enhance or practice whatever you have learned in this module one. Okay. So the same with this patterns in nature. So if in case something like this happen, so that only means the canvas cannot read or it's blocking that website. So maybe that website is not that secured. So that is why it's not allowing to be in here. So uh, to visit this website right here, just click this link right here. Then it will lead you to its own website. Okay. So patterns in nature, definition and examples, quiz and worksheet. Okay, so you also have a lot of quizzes and worksheet in here. So just check this web page. What else? Then of course after that we have a quiz or assignment, but this one is quizzes. So we have three quizzes. So the due date of these three are October 26. Okay, so 20 points, 50 points, and then 20 points. So just make sure to finish the module one first. Make sure to that you have watched everything first before taking these quizzes. Okay, because this is only a one time attempt only. Once you click this one and then take the quiz, so there's no going back anymore. Okay, so you have to finish that quiz already. Okay, so we have three quizzes for that, and we have one case study or one discussion. Okay, which is also due to or due on October 26th. This is a 50 points case study. So in here, all you need to do is read the facts, okay, and answer the question after that. So just take note that this one must be opinionated, okay. So what I do is if I found out that that your answer came from the internet, well, I still give high scores. However, let's say maybe 35 out of 50 only, or 30 out of 50, okay, because it's not your own opinion, so it should be your own opinion. So it would be a lot better if that idea came from you. Okay, so with that, I always give, let's say, 45, 47, or even 50 if your answer is really, uh, you know, really, really, call this one really, really convincing. Okay, so I was about to say satisfying, okay, like satisfying answer, but yeah, as long as you were able to convince me, then I'll give you a high score with this case studies. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the week one. Okay, so you guys have entire week to do this you know do this one, to finish all of the reading materials, to finish all of the video materials, and then to finish the quizzes. So one more thing that I wasn't able to introduce to you guys is the homepage. Well, I think most of your courses have the same formats, okay, like what I have in here. So in here you can find the basic information, so the welcoming page, so about your instructor, about people. Again, not that much, just my name, and then uh, a little or a short message, and then the course format, seeing that this will be delivered in pure ODL, and then the course overview, so the things that you'll be able to learn, okay, from the start up to the end, and then the available ebook, okay. So all of this came from the module overviews of every week. So there's a total of 10 ebooks or reading materials. So most of them are ebooks, but some of them is just a, let's say, an article or a website, okay. And then here are some 10 etiquette guidelines. So just check. Well, I think this one's like common sense already. Okay, so you already know the good things and then the bad things, the things that you can do, the things that you can do, cannot do. Okay, and then just in case that you're still confused on how to use the canvas, so just check this link, this video right here. Okay, and if you need more information about your quizzes, assignments, etc., etc., so you can check this student's orientation. Okay, like what's inside the UC digital classroom. What is this UC digital classroom? So, and then we also have student frequently asked question. So we have we have a lot. Okay, so we have getting started with UC, about the modules, about assignments, about quizzes, etc., etc. So basically, if you have a question uh, that you know when it comes to Canvas, so just check this FAQs. Okay, and for the contact us, so I think this is only the IP. Okay, just in case that you have a problem, okay, with your account maybe, so you can email this ITSS. Okay, so this one is the MIS department. All right, so are we clear with the student orientation?
Yes, sir.
So if you have a question, so just let me know,
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Don't be shy. And then for the module, so this is just another link that will lead you to this module tab, and then syllabus tab, and then the instructor's profile, which I showed you a while ago. Okay. Well, yeah, what else? I think the syllabus. So for the syllabus, so here's my name, the contact details of the SEA office, and then my email. So if you have a question, so you can email me here in Canvas. This is my email. So just type that one. I think you can go to inbox and create a message and then just put this one. Or you can just simply type my name, I guess. I'm not sure if it will pop out. Anyway, so this is the class hours. Oops, why is this 11:30? Why did we go back to OS again? This is a different subject. Let's go to syllabus of the Math 100. Okay, so Math 100. So the class hours is 7:30 a.m. to 11:30, of course, and then for 6.5 weeks, starting from October 14 to November 29. So this is a 3 units lecture. So we have 8 hours lecture per week, and then of course this is no prerequisite, of course, since this one is just a minor subject, and this is a first uh, term subject. Okay, here's the description, the course learning outcomes, and then all of the topics that we will discuss all throughout our meetings, so week 1 up to week 6. And then the basis of evaluation. So I think you guys already know this one. So of course we evaluate you guys with your discussion, with your quizzes, with your assignments and examinations. Okay, and then of course you have to finish everything, especially the major requirements like examinations and quizzes. Okay, and then standard grading system of the university shall be used, which is this one. So this is how we compute your grade. So we have the midterm score computation, tentative final score, the final score, and then just take note, okay, that the passing score in UC is 60%. So you should get 60% in everything. So if it's a total of 100, so you should get 60 out of 100. If it's out of 10, then you should get 6 out of 10. Because if you're only getting half, then for sure you will fail this subject. Okay. So are we clear so far regarding with the syllabus and then the grading system?
Yes, sir.
So yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's actually it. Anyway, so when you guys open your cameras, so I just want to see your faces before we end our meeting for today. Okay, hi, hello. So don't be shy. So I think there will be a time wherein if your camera is not open, you'll be considered as absent. But I think that would be 2 years or 3 years from now, once that we have a stable internet connection. Okay, because there's a lot of cases wherein yes, your name is in here, like you're there, but you're not physically present. Okay, so
Sir,
you,
wala
you
pang webcam.
that's okay. Okay, okay. What about the others? So show your faces so your classmate can see who you are.
Sir, wala din po akong webcam.
That's okay. Okay. So don't be shy. Hello, hello. Diba? At least kita natin yung mga mukha nating gwapo at magaganda. Alright. Okay, that's it. So let's just meet again next week. Okay. Kailan ba yung next week natin? Let me see. So we will not meet on October 22, but we'll meet instead on October 26. Okay, so that would be Tuesday. So goodbye for now. And then again, if you have questions, so just let me know or just message me. Okay, you can message me here on Canvas or on my Facebook account. All right, so goodbye and thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. So to those who haven't eaten your lunch, I mean breakfast, not lunch yet. So please eat your breakfast now and keep safe as always. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Thank
Goodbye,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Happy
Yes,
lunchtime.
sir.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too.